Good day, my name is Tae Hao. Today I'm going to present for a summative assessment. The type of plastic I choose to present is low density polyethylene LDPE. Now I'd like to introduce how the plastic is made. The following are the 5 steps to make plastic. In the first step, the crude oil is excreted from the underground of the earth. The crude oil is transported in the form of cans and then refining the crude oil. Then crude oil is preheated and boiled, then sent to the furnace to produce petroleum gas, petrol, gasoline, kerosene, diesel, naphtha, and etc. Naphtha is the main product in the plastic productions. Ethene is made from naphtha too. To make ethene, naphtha is sent to a naphtha cracking center at 800 degrees Celsius by using the steam cracker. Naphtha is break down into hydrocarbons and then is refined and compressed to get ethenes, polyethylenes, petroleum, and etc. In this process, the important product is ethene. Ethene undergoes polymerization to make polyethylenes, and ethene is compressed and cooled and now dense almost like a liquid. It is sent to a reaction chamber and polyethylene is formed and sent to a chamber that adds antioxidants and stabilizer. Polyethylene is then converted into the plastic products. As we know, there are many types of plastic. For example, polyethylene, terephthalate, PET, or HDPE, PVC, LDPE, PP, and PS. Well, the plastic that I'm going to present and emphasize it is the low density polyethylene LDPE, which is commonly known as plastic bag. The example of the usage of plastics. So the below are the example of the usage of the LDPE plastic. We can use plastic bag for the laundry, and the plastic laundry bags can be used to store clothes. Besides, the plastic bag can be used as garbage bag to store rubbish and also the vacuum cleaner contents. As everyone knows, plastic bags commonly used to pack the shopping materials so that we are easier to carry our belongings. Bubble wrap is also a LDPE plastic which can use to protect the fragile goods or products while we are transporting them. So, what is the end line of the plastic and where do these plastics go? Most of the plastic are durable and do not corrode. This will lead to disposal problems. They aren't good for landfill as many will persist for hundreds of years. When they are incinerated, which is burned, it will produce dangerous gases. And many supermarkets now will give us a one-use grocery bag. If we leave them in the cupboard long enough, and you will realize everything left is just dust because they are engineered to be degraded. Now, for the present conditions of the plastic, people now are more likely to throw away the plastic after they use it. And the LDPE plastic actually can be reused and be recycled. We can also reduce of using the plastic bag or any other plastic product to reduce the using of LDPE plastic. Fortunately, the biodegradable bag plastic is commonly used which help to reduce the negative impact to the environment. For example, as the previous slide mentioned before, the supermarket are commonly using the biodegradable plastic bag. The below are the eco-friendly way of using plastic for the current situations. Firstly, as the previous slide mentioned before, we can use biodegradable plastic bag instead of using plastic bag. Next, we can apply 3R on the plastic, which are reuse, reduce, and recycle them. Then, we can stop using disposable tableware and also plastic packing by replacing it by using the reusable food container to pack our food and drinks. Lastly, do not litter and reuse the plastic product as much as possible to save the planet and also the aquatic life. Lastly, these are the references, and this is all the information I got it from. And that's all from me today. Thank you very much.